Did you know a 14-year-old boy once became Roman emperor and nearly destroyed the entire empire with his shocking behavior? Meet Elagabalus, who ruled Rome from 218 to 222 AD. This teenage emperor forced powerful Roman senators to bow down and worship a Syrian sun god in bizarre religious ceremonies that horrified the traditional Romans. But that was just the beginning of his madness. Elagabalus married 5 different people, including men and even a sacred Vestal Virgin, which was considered one of the worst crimes in Roman society. The young emperor became obsessed with transforming into a goddess. He offered half of the Roman Empire to any doctor who could give him female body parts. He conducted human sacrifices right inside the imperial palace, terrifying everyone around him. After 4 years of absolute chaos, the Praetorian Guards had enough. They brutally assassinated the 18-year-old emperor while he was using a latrine. Then they dragged his body through the streets of Rome and threw it into the Tiber River, ending one of history's most shocking reigns.